Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and let me go back. And right here we have to scroll down to find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to Device Unlock, which is right here, and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Alright, if you've got the regular screen lock like the pattern, PIN or password, your device will ask you to enter to confirm the whole step, just like here in my case. If you do not have the screen lock, your device will ask you to add one. It is because that you cannot really add the fingerprint without adding a regular screen lock, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, PIN or password, so with the regular screen lock. So be aware about that, and you really need to do that. So just choose the option which you'd like to use, and of course set it. Now we can simply tap on fingerprint here. And obviously here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so if you wish to read it, you can do it, and tap on I agree. Now we've got the information about the fingerprint sensor, which is in this device located in the power button, which is right here. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Alright. Now the edges. So as you can see, this is quite a big area of your finger. Alright, and we just successfully added the fingerprint, so you can either add another or simply tap on done to finish. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you wish, and add another fingerprint. Alright, now we can go back, and here you can also decide how you'd like to use the face or fingerprint. So you can either unlock your phone and verify that it is you in apps. I highly recommend to use... Oh, what happened? I highly recommend to use actually both. It's quite convenient and comfortable. So now all we have to do is to check whether it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.